Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog car barrier that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the High Road Dog Barrier Gate. The High Road Pet Barrier is my top pick for the best car divider for dogs between the front and rear seats. The sturdy metal frame, made from heavy-duty steel, stretches the mesh fabric across the rear of the front seats. What's nice about this is that it doesn't go across the entire vehicle or obstruct your view. The mesh material means visibility is good. You can see the road and your pup, and they can see you, which can help reduce anxiety. This narrower profile means it offers a universal fit for most vehicles and has adjustable height and straps. This option isn't suitable for small dogs. It doesn't restrict them from squeezing through the area between the seat and the vehicle doors. This may be a great and affordable option if your dog is generally well behaved. But keep in mind that the mesh material doesn't hold back dogs as well as other barriers. So if your dog is unruly, chews, or pushes through things, they may move this barrier around some. The coverage area is 32.5 inches WX37H. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Jumbl Pet Dog Barrier. If you're looking for a sturdy dog gate for your car, the Jumbl Pet Dog Barrier is my number 1 choice. This barrier is made of heavy-duty, all-metal material, meaning durability is great. It can also adjust in length to go across the back of the seats in your sedan or mid-sized car. Assembly is tool-free and straightforward, which means easy installation. However, some customers complain that some of the mounting hardware is flimsy. The coverage area is 35.5 WX16.5H, and the adjustable side panels are 12 inches WX10.5 inches H. This barrier is slightly smaller than others I review and won't work well if used in a larger vehicle than a mid-sized car or sedan. But it's a great product and price for mid-sized vehicles and comes with a lifetime warranty. At number 3, we have the Midwest Pet Barrier Wire Mesh Car Barrier. The Midwest Car Dog Barrier is made of wire mesh and fits most SUVs, vans, and hatchbacks. However, I think this is the top choice as the best SUV dog barrier. What makes this an ideal pet barrier for an SUV? It is adjustable and made of heavy-duty tubular meshed steel, so durability and visibility are great. The coverage area is 27.88 WX23.5H at a minimum, but it can expand to 70 inches W and 50 inches H. The downside is that some people have spent longer than expected installing this barrier, so it's not as easy to install as the other barriers on my list. Some customers have also used zip ties to secure it and stop it from rattling. At number 2, we have the Bushwhacker Deluxe Dog Barrier. This Bushwhacker car dog barrier has metal tubing to maintain its barrier shape and prevent pups from squeezing around it. The heavy-duty tubing connects to a scratch and tear-resistant pet screen made from mesh. The mesh material means airflow isn't compromised. The barrier attaches to the front seat headrest and either the car seat frame or seatbelt mount. Its coverage area is 56 inches WX 23 inches H, which is best for trucks and large SUVs. To determine your car's width, measure your car's interior just below the headrests. This barrier works as long as the width is greater than 56 inches. However, if this is too big, there is also a 50-inch model available. It's important to note that this product only goes between the front and back seats. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rabbit Goo Dog Car Barrier. When your dogs ride in the back of your hatchback or SUV, the Rabbit Goo Car Barrier is an excellent choice. This adjustable car pet barrier is sturdy and easy to install. One unique feature is an upgraded knob design made to increase security. The coverage area is 35.8 WX 15.7H, and adjustable side panels are 16.5 WX 11.8H with a full extension equal to 60.6. The thick nylon straps and sturdy buckles prevent most dogs from pulling it away from the headrests. Customers' primary complaint is that the straps may be too short. Some pets can get around it because it isn't tall enough for their vehicle. However, most customers felt the fit was great, so be sure to measure that it fits before ordering it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.